Good evening, everyone. This is Unit 5 from June 2020, IEL Chemistry. In this session, I'll discuss class 5 MCQs. The first one, enthalpy change of hydrogenation of cyclohexene is given, which is minus 120 kilojoule per mole. What is the approximate enthalpy change of hydrogenation of benzene? So benzene is more stable as compared to that of, this is for 1 mole. So when we are converting 1 mole of double bond in alkene into alkane, the enthalpy change is minus 120. But if there are 3 double bonds in the structure, then the enthalpy change when it converts into cyclic alkane, this should be minus 360 kilojoule per mole. So we have benzene ring. Benzene is more stable compared to that of cyclic alkane. So the enthalpy change, the difference in the value will be smaller between the reactant and product. And this is approximately minus 210 when the double bonds in the alternative double bond in benzene break down and convert into cyclic alkane. So that's why B is the correct answer. And what is minus 150? That is a stability energy of benzene, like compared to cyclic alkane, it is minus 150 kilojoule per mole more stable. Which orbital overlap to form a ring of delocalized electron in benzene and what type? So when we write the electronic configuration for carbon, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. And one of the, because due to hybridization, one of the electron jumps, so from 2s to 2p, so it will be 2s1 and 2p3. So there is 2s available and 2p is also available. So this 2s is used to bond with hydrogen with our s orbital, so we are left with p orbital, and when p orbital overlap, partial overlapping leads to a pi bond. Because this will be s, then it will be px, py and pz. Which reagent and catalyst will convert this benzene into phenyl ethanol? So basically what we need here, we need a chlorine at this part, and we can react with aluminum trichloride or aluminum chloride. So when it reacted with aluminum chloride, AlCl3, so this chlorine is removed, so it will form AlCl4 and produce an electrophile which can attach with the benzene ring. So it should be ethonyl chloride, this will be ethonyl chloride, and the catalyst will be aluminum chloride. Chlorine react with methyl benzene in the presence of UV. So in the presence of UV, alkanes will undergo a substitution reaction. So if we have a methyl benzene, like if this was a methyl benzene, then in the presence of UV, a free radical chlorine is produced. This will undergo a substitution reaction. That's why the correct answer is A. How many isomers containing benzene ring are there with a molecular formula of C6H3NO2 bracket 2 OH? So we have to draw the possible structures. When we draw the benzene ring, so there is OH. Now what are the possibilities that, because this is our first carbon, the OH, the priority group, then what could be the possibility? The other positions are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sorry, one is the OH, so it is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So when we work out the possible combination, so we may have second and third position, we may have NO, we may have second and fourth position, and we may have second and sixth position. Then there's no other for. And second and fifth position and second. So these are the four. Then if we have third position, so it can be 3, 4, like third position and fourth position, and it can be third position and fifth position. If we say third position and sixth position, that does not make difference because it will become 2 and 4 because we count from the nearest one. So it will be, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 possible isomers. That's why C is the right answer. So this was unit 5. In the next session, I'll discuss more questions from this unit.